Do you want to be a tourism student? Continue watching as I share with you my struggles and learnings as a tourism student while I'm doing my makeup. My struggles are wearing heels all the time. Masaya sa una ang pagsusuot ng heels, pero kapag tumagal na, hindi na siya nakakatuwa. Though, sanay naman ako mag-heels, kaso if tulad mo kung nagko-commute, mas sumasakit talaga siya. Number 2 is memorizing. Dati palang makakalimutin na ako. Simula nung tinake ko tong course na to, walang katapusan yung kakabisaduhin. Minsan on the spot pa. Mapapasubo ka talaga here. Number 3, you need to look presentable. We all know naman na need magmukhang professional kapag tourism student ka. Pero ang hirap niya i-maintain, lalo na kung maraming gawain, puyat, at wala sa mood. Need mo pa rin talaga maging presentable all the time, lalo na kapag tourism ka. Number 4 is being hospitable or nice all the time. Syempre, sometimes you don't have the energy to communicate to people. Minsan, gusto mo na lang mapag-isa, and wala talaga sa mood, pero need mo talaga ng mahabang pasensya. And lastly, number 5, patience. I always make people understand na yung tourism course is not only for flight attendant. Ang dami mo kayang pwedeng maging work sa course na to in the future. Also, there are people na minamalit yung course na tourism like puro paganda lang daw. You know, nag-struggle man ako. Marami naman akong natutunan tulad ng number 1, confidence. I learned to love myself. One of the reasons why I took this course is I want to improve my communication skills, and look at me now. Kung kilala nyo lang ako ng high school days, grabe talaga yung improvements. Number 2, I learned how to look presentable. I learned how to apply makeup correctly based on my features. Kung hindi mo kasi alamin yung tamang makeup for your facial features, hindi siya maganda tignan. Also, please invest sa skincare and sa mga foods na kinakain nyo. Kasi malaki yung impact niya sa skin nyo. Syempre, number 3, gracefulness. Syempre, kapag tourism, dapat hindi magaslaw. You should act elegantly or gracefully every time you meet people. Lalo na sa mga hallways, you should act right. Number 4, learning by heart. Kailangan isa puso mo lahat ng natutunan mo at matututunan mo pa lang. Sabi nga ni Sir C.O. nung senior high school ako, keep it in your heart, not in your mind. Because if you keep it in your mind, you will forget it. But if you keep it in your heart, you will remember it for the rest of your life. Gagawin ko lang yung eyeliner ko off cam kasi mahirap po, guys. Number 5 is respect. Being respectful is important when you are a tourism student, lalo na in the future, kasi you will be able to meet different people with different cultures and traditions. So, ayun, kailangan naging respectful ka talaga kahit kanino. Kasi, sign din yun ng pagiging professional. Lalo na, marami pa tayong kakaharapin o haharapin pang mga tao. And deserve nilang itrato ng tama. Kasi lahat naman tayo may pinagdadaanan. Ay, may ganun. Ayan, parang okay naman na. Highlighter and lipstick na lang kulang. Ay, sponsored. That will be all. I hope you learned something today. Kung binabalak mo mag-tourism, this is the sign. Kaya, choose tourism, choose UWI Manila.